I just want to give a massive shout out to everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's supporting the channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and let's get started with the video. This video is mainly going to be about mods, so I've had a few things done to my car so I can show you them. Firstly though, I'm going to head over to EuroCarParts because I've still got that bulb light on. My rear brake light has gone, so I'm going to replace that. So on the way to EuroCarParts, yeah, let's just get going. Let's go to EuroCarParts. Picked up the bulb for the rear lights, so get that fitted. The number one thing you can do to your car is get a remap stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, whatever you want, but that's where you're going to see the biggest gains, the biggest power gains. So if I'd recommend any mods to you, I'd say get your car remapped. That's where you'll see the biggest difference. And then anything else you want to do to your car, get things in terms of the next stage. So say you're on stage 1, if you want to do anything to your car, buy the hardware that will get you up to stage 2. So whether that's a front mounted intercooler, an intake or an exhaust, for example, they're the mods I suggest you to do. If you're still stock, you can go for mods like intakes if you want that noise, a bit more noise from the car, from the engine. You can change your exhaust. So we pull down this hill because it's quite nice. Oh. That wasn't even that much throttle, but it's nice. These cars are really nice and torquey, low down torque, so even small pulls like that, it's really nice. Cosmetic mods. So why cosmetic mods? Makes your car look more unique. The amount of Golfs there are on the road, Mark 5s, Mark 6s, Mark 7s are everywhere. First mod I'd say for the Mark 5. On the Mark 5 R32 and Mark 5 Edition 30, they come with different rear lights. They're actually a cherry colour, so you can buy them from breakers, online, eBay, Gumtree, wherever. Get them pretty cheap. So swap them out with your standard ones and straight away, visually from the back, your car is going to look different to all standard Mark 5s. I'd say alloys. You can get any alloys that suits your taste. Me personally, I went with the more stock look, so I went with GTI alloys, but I upgraded to the diamond cut ones with black inserts. So you can actually buy, again, you can buy them off people. They come on the Mark 6s, some Mark 5s. You can buy those alloys, put them on your car. If you look on the groups, Facebook groups, you'll see people posting so many different pictures of the alloys they've put on their cars, and you can just choose whatever suits your taste. But again, it will give your car a more personal touch. The third cosmetic mod The headlights on these cars are old now, maybe 15, 14, 13 years old. They came out in 2005, maybe even late 2004, so the headlight, the plastic that covers the front headlights gets quite faded and it doesn't look good at all. So what I done when I first got the car is I bought a headlight restoration kit on Amazon. You just sand it down, give them a polish, put some UV sealant on it, and your headlights start to look crisp. Fourth modification, dynamic indicator upgrade. So if you watched my very first video on this channel, that was me unboxing the new indicators and installing them and showing some shots of them. So the dynamic indicator upgrade is really good because a lot of the new VAG group cars, Audis, they have the dynamic indicator. So if you add this to your car, it's bringing it forward in time again. And the old ones were actually pretty bad. They were really dull. So the LEDs are again crisp and you have that fluid movement. They're really nice. So for the fifth cosmetic upgrade, I'm just gonna switch to the front camera. This trim here, this has been wrapped in carbon, so it actually complements the car really nicely. The interior on these is already really nice. You've got the steering wheel, you've got the tartan seats, but the head unit was actually really outdated. So this cosmetic mod, I would say, upgrade your head unit. This one's actually very impressive. I'm gonna do a video on it. It's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It's also got Bluetooth audio, aux, USB, SD card. So this mod's encompassing both upgrading your head unit and getting your trim carbon wrapped. I've actually seen stickers that you can put over this on eBay, but I'm not sure how well that will come out. I actually bought this off someone who had it done properly. So if you go to someone who wraps cars, that kind of thing, and you can give them the trim pieces, they can actually wrap it for you, and it shouldn't be that expensive. But visually it actually adds a lot to the car. Let's get that bulb replaced. This whole light cluster out. Just pull this carpet back here. This bit up here actually. Pull this back. You can see there's a wee electrical connect. Or do you push in? Wait, that's it there. Get that electrical connector out, and there's two 10mm bolts. So I've got the ratchet, so I'll take them out. Alright, so now the two bolts are out. The whole light should just pull off. I might need 2 hands for this. So that's the light off. Spin it round. I'll need to take the bulb cluster out, then I can just replace the bulb. Alright, that's the bulb replaced. There's the old one there. You can see some brown marks, so you know the bulb's gone. So I'm just going to repeat all the steps and then put that back in. Hope you enjoyed that video. Content slowly getting better and better. So if you enjoyed that, subscribe. There should be a wee circle here you can hit to subscribe for future content, which will be better, hopefully. And thanks a lot. Any suggestions for anything you want to see on the channel, any certain videos you want on the car, just let me know and I'll definitely get it done. Alright, take care and peace. So now we're going up a hill, so I'm not exactly gonna do a pull up a hill. But yeah, so that would be my advice.